What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter in a 2026 Kia K5. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side right here, we can see this dampening latch. In order to get this off, what I'm going to do is just get my finger around it like this, and that'll just pop off. Now what we need to do is fold the glove box down, and there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. You can see the one I'm touching with my finger right here, and there's another one just like it on that side. So what I'm going to do is push in from either side towards the center like this, and that's going to allow these stops to clear. So you can see that clearing right there, and that'll just fold down like that. Once we get that folded down and we take a look behind here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's this clip on the right hand side that you just pinch together like that. And then that will pull off. Then we can see our actual air filter right here. And this will just slide out of here like this. So that will slide out, and this one doesn't even really need to be changed yet, but when you put your new one in, make sure you're paying attention to your airflow arrows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground, and then you just slide your new filter in, like that. Make sure that's all the way slid in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door, and we want that pinch clip on the right, and then on the left-hand side, you can see there's just that tab. That tab will fit in there like that, and then that will pop on, and then we can just pick the glove box up until those stops clear, like that. And then the final thing we need to do is come over here and reattach this latch, and that will just push on like that, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.